Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Now, Creamation have actually burned over 107 million coins of Terra Classic. Remember, Creamation is one of the top burners of Terra Classic coins, and of course, they are really supporting Terra Classic. And the recent burning, definitely, I'm happy to see Creamation burning millions of Terra Classic LUNC, and we see hope for more burning to come up. We see hope for Terra Classic to continue constantly keep on burning more coins, because these burnings will definitely will be helping Terra Classic to rise. But remember, the burning right now is not really affecting Terra Classic, but in the long run, this will definitely help Terra Classic rise. But in that long run, simply means Luna needs to burn at least 30% to 40% of its supply, and if they can reach that level of burning 30 to 40% of its supply, it will definitely push Terra Classic to hit over 1,000 to 2,000% increase in price. With a high market cap, Terra Classic is going to rise. With a high market cap, Terra Classic is going to pump. Now, one thing I love about Terra Classic is for the fact that they have keep on getting massive support from CZ himself. They keep on getting massive support from the community. Even though despite what happened to the LUNC, the community are still supporting. The community has very much giving their all the support towards Terra Classic LUNC. They want to make sure that this coin revive. They want to make sure this coin keep on rising. And one of the top burners of Terra Classic, which is Creamation, have really burned over 107 million coins. Yes, 107 million coins has been destroyed by Creamation, which is the good signal, which shows that Luna will be burning more coins by the time we keep on increasing the trading volume, keep on rising. And as of today, another massive prediction for Bitcoin. Yes, one of the crypto experts, crypto billionaire, have actually predicted that BTC before the end of this year, let's say before 31st of December 2023, that Bitcoin was going to trade at over $50,000. Right now, BTC is trading at $29,000 to $30,000, and it's believed that yes, an extra $21,000 to be added on the price of Bitcoin. And I believe if BTC can hit at least $50,000 for the end of the year, this is definitely going to be a very good signal for crypto industry in general. Let's keep on watching, and let's hope that BTC, BNB, Ethereum will definitely rise before the end of the year, because it will definitely also help Terra Classic to also increase in price. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.